In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table to a Squarespace website. If you want to display organized information like pricing and schedules, comparisons, or lists of features, adding a table can be a really useful option. In Squarespace, one simple way to do this is by using a code block and pasting in the table code directly. I'll walk you through the exact process in a clear and easy way so you can follow along on your own site. To begin, open the page or section of your Squarespace website where you want the table to appear. Once you're in the editor, click on 80 block. This is the first step to inserting new content into that area of your page. If you're not sure where the table should go yet, take a moment to place the block in the right section, because that will affect how the table appears within the overall page layout. After clicking AD block, use the search field and type code. This helps you quickly find the correct block without scrolling through the full list of content options. Squarespace includes a variety of blocks, so searching is usually the fastest way to get to the one you need. When the code option appears, click on code. This will insert a code block into your page. A code block allows you to add custom HTML, which is what you'll use to create the table structure. This is especially helpful if you want more control over how your table is arranged than what standard content blocks might offer. Once the code block has been added, click the pencil icon to edit it. The pencil icon opens the settings or editing window for that block, where you can enter or update the code that will display on the page. If the block is empty, that's completely normal. You're just about to add the content that will generate the table. Now paste the code into the editor. This is the code for your table, and once it's inserted, Squarespace will use it to render the table on the page. Make sure the code is pasted cleanly and completely so the table displays properly. If the formatting looks off, it's a good idea to double check that nothing was accidentally deleted or pasted incorrectly. After pasting the code, you can review how the table looks within your page layout and make any needed adjustments from there. This method is a practical way to add structured content to your Squarespace site, especially when you need a clean and organized presentation. And that's how to add a table to a Squarespace website.